Didn't make a busy noise. That's annoying. What is good, ladies and gentlemen? You are here chilling with the real Satoshi Aoki, and I know what you're probably thinking. It's not going to be another crypto.com video, is it? Well, it is, okay? So if you're not into crypto.com, then I suggest you look them up because they are making some serious waves in the cryptocurrency and Bitcoin space this year, all right? And yes, it's going to be another video. Why? Well, it's because there's just a heck of a lot going on with crypto.com this week, this month, and this year. So I'm going to be covering it here on this channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about something extremely important. So really make sure you stay tuned for the whole video and drop any questions or comments that you do have in the comment section below. We're going to be moving in real time some CRO token from the crypto.com app to the crypto.com DeFi wallet, okay? I've already done a small test amount first to make sure that I understand it and that I've done it correctly. And for those of you that don't know, the crypto.com mainnet is live today. I don't believe staking is actually live yet for the 20% per annum just yet as I'm making this video, and I won't be doing the staking live in today's video because I believe there's probably going to be some bugs, some glitches, and some potential congestion on the crypto.com org blockchain today, okay, the crypto.com chain. So I'm just going to wait 1, maybe even 2 days before I do stake my CRO, which I've currently got on a 1-month stake, and I think it's got like a day left in the crypto.com earn section, which is getting me, I think, around 6% per annum paid back out every 7 days, okay? So that's the bulk amount that I will be moving in there. And don't worry, you'll see when I move that in there. There'll be another video on that. But to be honest, today, it's a video in itself to make sure you understand what you're doing when you're moving CRO from the app over to the DeFi wallet. Seems simple, and it is, but you need to understand what you're doing. And I guess the first tip that I really want to give you out there, whether you're a beginner or not, you've been in the space for a while, is if you're pressing buttons and doing stuff and sending money here, there, and everywhere, be sure of what you're doing, okay? If there is any, and I mean any, even 1% of uncertainty about you sending some funds somewhere, and if you haven't done a test send first, then don't do it. Figure out how to do it first before doing it, okay? And like I do stress in a lot of these videos regarding not just CRO, the crypto.com token, but if you're sending your crypto anywhere, from any wallet to any other wallet exchange platform for the first time, always send 2 transactions. Do a test amount with the minimum amount of that particular cryptocurrency, CRO in this particular case, first, and then once that arrives there successfully and you are happy, then send the bigger amount, okay? Because I can tell you right now, it will go wrong at least once, okay, if you don't do it this way. Yes, it takes more time. Yes, it might be slightly more expensive, but you're paying for a bit of insurance in a sense. The second extremely hot tip that I need to give you that you really need to pay attention to is when you've got the option to send your CRO, withdraw your CRO from the app to the DeFi wallet, okay, you're gonna have 2 options, okay? You're gonna have an option to either send it on the crypto.com chain or you're gonna have an option to send it on the Ethereum blockchain, the ERC20, okay? Do not send it on your ERC20, okay? If you're looking to do mainnet staking, CRO 20% per annum, do not use ERC20, okay? Make sure you pick the crypto.com org, the crypto.com chain, all right? Pick the mainnet, because if you end up picking ERC20, all right, the funds will arrive eventually in the DeFi wallet, but what's gonna happen is if it arrives in the wallet, you're gonna have to swap it from the ERC20 chain to the crypto.com chain, and you may incur some heavy fees using the Ethereum blockchain, because as we know, Ethereum 2.0 is not fully established yet, okay? So gas fees, GWEI fees, GWEI fees on the Ethereum blockchain are extremely high wherever you are transacting, okay? So make sure you don't make that mistake. And also, I've had some issues with people, who have told me that they sent their funds over and that they didn't actually arrive, okay? But they all ended up getting it sorted out eventually. So be patient in what you're doing. Don't be one of these people that makes a mistake due to lack of education, all right? You make a mistake, you send some money somewhere, you do something incorrectly because you didn't understand and do your own research, and don't be one of those people that then goes on and complains about crypto.com and says it's all of their fault, because it's not. I'm not saying that the crypto.com business as a whole is a saint, okay? But no business is. Every business makes mistakes, okay? But I can tell you right now, there's gonna be a lot of confusion, there's gonna be a lot of mistakes based around this, people are gonna complain, and it's gonna make Crypto.com look bad. I can tell you right now, it's already going to happen, okay? And if you're struggling with issues of customer support with Crypto.com because they are under such heavy demand, then look, go online, do a YouTube search. I would highly recommend you set up a Discord account, you set up a Reddit account. There is awesome information always readily available in the community. That's all I do, all right? And then I do that and I bring the information to you before leaving some, silly review or something like that. And I'm not sponsored by Crypto.com, I'm just not, okay? But if you do want to support the channel and sign up and grab a ruby red card or above, I'll drop an affiliate link for that in the description of this video. All right, so let's check out the app now and I'll show you how to send it over correctly. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are on the Crypto.com app right now. So let's take you through this process. As I did say at the start of the video, I've already been through it, okay? And when I actually transferred my CRO on the Crypto.com chain for the first time, it actually took a little bit of a while, okay? I was stuck in pending for about 40 minutes roughly, okay? And then my pending went through, and then shortly after that, maybe within sort of 2-3 minutes after that, my available balance showed up in my Crypto.com DeFi wallet, okay? So my first test transaction was sent through successfully, okay? So I'm gonna send through not my entire bigger amount because, as I said before, I've still got a big amount still left on the stake, but we're gonna send through a little bit more CRO token, and I'm gonna show you the whole process, okay? So make sure you stay tuned and drop a like on this video, guys, if you found this tutorial helpful, and let me know in the comments if you wanna see more content like this, okay? I'm passionate about crypto, obviously, but also the crypto debit card space and Crypto.com. So let's check this out, guys. So we're on the home page, bottom left of screen of the app now. We've got our favorites here. Now, guys, we're going to go to the accounts section here. So we're going to click the accounts tab, second from the left, bottom of the screen, okay? And we're going to actually click on Crypto.com up the top here, okay? So as you can see, the price is dumped a bit today, guys, minus 11%, okay? You know what that means, right? Buy when there's blood in the streets, as Warren Buffett says, okay? Professional investor, okay? So good time to potentially buy in, okay? Right here, did see a bit of a pump yesterday. So guys, if we scroll down, okay, you can see my transactions. This one's from today. I will be posting this video tonight. It's Thursday, March 25th, okay? As you can see here, withdraw CRO completed test 230 CRO. So we're gonna go into that one and check that out so I can show you the data on this one. So as you can see, guys, I did this one at 10:45 a.m. today. Now, you're probably wondering why 230 CRO. That was the minimum amount of CRO that they did require me to withdraw, which at today's current price is $46.71 USD, okay? So that's the minimum you can send on a test net. So unfortunately, if you're trying to send anything less than 230 CRO at the moment, you're not gonna be able to do it, okay? So you need to have at least that much in there, okay? So as you can see, we've got the details here, guys. I've sent 229.999. Now, you're probably wondering, why is it 2.9999? Okay, where's that little bit for the fee? It's for the fee, guys. So, one of the reasons why Crypto.com chain is going to be so awesome is because it's going to be cheaper, okay? And eventually it's going to be faster, I think. But it might take a few weeks or maybe even just a few days to sort of reach that level. Remember, guys, just because the mainnet launches today, it doesn't mean that it's going to be like snap, snap, snap straight off the bat, okay? They need to work stuff out. There's going to be congestion. Everyone's going to be trying to do staking, everyone's going to be freaking out, okay? But just take a deep breath, relax, and don't do anything without knowing what you're doing, okay? So as you can see, the fee there, guys, 0.001 CRO, that's dog's biscuits, it's absolutely nothing, and the total is 230 CRO. And as you can see, guys, pay attention there, the network type, I've chosen Crypto.com org chain, okay? Crypto.org chain, okay? Rather than ERC20. So now that you've seen that, we're gonna do another one, guys. So I'm just gonna do it with the rest of my CRO that I've got in here, okay? So let's just go and have a look. Actually, I might actually just head on over to my, I think I've got my CRO in here. I'm just gonna have a look, see if I've got my CRO, see if my CRO is out of the 1 month stake, which I don't think it is. Yeah, no, it hasn't arrived, guys. So I'm gonna have to wait till I do the bigger amount, okay? I got maybe 70, 80K CRO that I do wanna throw on the on-chain stake in there. So, but I'm just going to do a little bit more today of what I have available. All right, so we are going to withdraw, and let's go to accounts. Sorry, guys. And so we're up the top here, guys. We're on the account section. I've got some CRO available here. I got 10,000 for my J Green card stake. So I've got 1,948.15 CRO left, which I'm going to be sending over today. So you've got 3 buttons at the top, guys. You've got buy CRO, sell CRO, and transfer with the 2 arrows pointing right and left. We're going to click on that one there. and we're going to click on withdraw, guys. So we're withdrawing because we're taking the CRO out of the Crypto.com app and sending it over to the Crypto.com DeFi wallet. So we're going to press withdraw. Now we've got some options here, guys. We've got Crypto.com users, Crypto.com exchange, Crypto.com DeFi wallet, and an external wallet. Can you guys guess which one it is? I'll give you a second. It's the DeFi wallet, okay? All right, so we're going to click Crypto.com DeFi wallet. Gonna click that one there. Okay, you got all your cryptos here. Crypto.com, nice and easy. It's right up the top. We're gonna just select that right there, nice and easy. Now, guys, really important that you pay attention here, okay? Now, I appreciate that this is probably really simple for a lot of you, and I also appreciate that a lot of you are probably gonna get this wrong even after watching this video. So just take a deep breath, you know, turn your phone on airplane mode, don't get distracted, watch what I'm doing, okay? We've got two options here. Send CRO to Crypto.com DeFi wallet and read everything, guys, before you do it, 2-3 times if you need to. Now, we can choose the blockchain that we're sending it on, yeah? See that tab going right and left there, all right? ERC20 or CRO, okay? And I'm really making a point of this, but we're gonna click CRO, okay? The CRO needs to be white. ERC20 needs to be grey. You can also have a look at a bit of information on what it means, CRO versus ERC20. We're going to click on that there. So I'm going to read this out, guys, just so you know. CRO is the native currency of the Crypto.com chain, while ERC20 CRO tokens are created and hosted on the Ethereum blockchain. Please confirm the CRO address network with your sender, if deposit, receiver, if withdraw, to avoid any loss of funds, okay? Ball's in your court, guys. That's why you got to do a test, okay? All right, even if you're certain. So again, guys, I've selected CRO, that's fine, and I'm gonna send a max now. So I'm gonna click on the USD amount, and you can actually swap, guys, which is cool. You know, it's a feature they've added now here. All right, it doesn't matter what, you know, it's on. As you can see, I've got the max button down there, 1948.15822.139 CRO. I'm gonna click that button there. It's gonna pop up there. Got an optional note. I always recommend writing a note, guys, maybe with your name as well. So I'm just gonna write, you know, Satoshi test 2. Right, because it's my second test. I'll update that there. Okay, so I've got a reference there. I'm gonna hit withdraw, guys. Okay, and it comes up with the confirmation here, okay? They're sending, you know, the amount I'm sending from CRO wallet. It's got the address there, guys, so it's connected to Satoshi Aoki, okay? That's what I've named my DeFi wallet there. It's got my DeFi wallet address. As you can see, it's 2CRO and ends in NT2. The network type there, guys, is Crypto.com org chain. If that says ERC20, you've done it wrong. Go back, all right, go back. Change it to Crypto.org chain, yeah? Satoshi test 2, the fee, again, is fantastic. It's Dogs Biscuits, 0.001 CRO, and the total there, guys. If that all looks right, you can go ahead. Okay, and again, I'm just gonna read this out, guys, okay? I'm gonna read this out. You've selected to withdraw a native CRO to your DeFi wallet. Please note that the native CRO can be used for CRO staking on the Crypto.org chain, but not for DeFi swap on the Ethereum network. Now, this is admittedly very confusing. Okay? Well, it's confusing, but it makes sense, okay? It's confusing in a good way. Now, understand, guys, there is a reason why you would want to have some CRO on the ERC20 chain on the DeFi wallet. It's if you want to do separate staking apart from mainnet CRO staking. Again, I'm going to repeat it. If you're doing CRO mainnet staking, it needs to be sent over on Crypto.org chain. If you plan to stake other cryptocurrencies, right, and make use of the DeFi staking, right, which is a separate part of the DeFi wallet, which I kind of touched on in the last video. Okay, I'll leave a link for the last video here, it's up here, where I go through the DeFi wallet, and I'll also probably make a section if I do decide to stake a bit on the DeFi wallet as well, so you can kind of understand and see how that looks, because there is a lot to it there, guys. But you know, for the most part, you know, I think most of us are probably going to be doing 20% APY staking here, so we're going to confirm that. All right, going to confirm that. You're going to put your passcode in here, okay? Make sure you get that right. All right, and it should come up. Okay, your CRO withdrawal request has been submitted. Tap anywhere to continue, guys. Okay, so that's done. And then if you want to see that transaction, guys, we can actually scroll down. We're in the CRO balance here, and it should come up here in just a moment. So see, I got withdraw CRO. So that was my old one. So let's just refresh the page. It should pop up, and there it is, guys. So sometimes you just need to refresh it once or twice, yeah? And then we scroll down. So as you can see, same day, withdraw CRO, and as you can see, it's pending Satoshi test 2, all right, 1948, and this is all the data here, guys, so you can see that we need. So I'm gonna just hit this on pause, guys. I'm gonna touch back with you and let you know how long it took the second time round, and then we're gonna check out how it looks on the DeFi wallet, okay? Be back in a sec. Alrighty folks, so we're just gonna have a quick look on the crypto.com DeFi wallet. My second round of test funds haven't arrived yet, but I just wanted to show you just quickly here. So as you can see, $47.60 USD is my total balance up the top. There's a couple of notes here about the CRO migration tool, which I might make a video on, okay? That's if you're migrating, your CRO, but if you're, I'm assuming most of you are gonna have your CRO on the app, then you're not gonna have to worry about the migration tool, but if you've got CRO in other areas, that's something that you're gonna have to look into, if you were using CRO on MetaMask to get some staking benefits or doing some yield farming or something, okay? But again, we'll cover that in another video because this is quite in depth. CRO service note, okay, so that's just some information about the mainnet there. And as you can see, guys, crypto.org, sorry, it's really hard for me to say crypto.org without saying crypto.com org or something. It's just so many words, guys, sorry. So as you can see here, guys, this is the first transaction that I did this morning where I said it took about 30 minutes, okay? And yeah, it's come through here, guys. So again, I'm probably gonna have to wait at least another 30 minutes for my next transaction to come through, but when it does, I will show you and we'll round up this video. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so it has happened, it has gone through, and it was very quick, okay? So the first test that I sent through, as I said, this is the third time already, the whole process, let's call it 35 minutes, okay? This time round, guys, less than 5 minutes, okay? Pretty cool. Actually, probably even less. It probably took about 2 minutes, okay? Probably took about 2 minutes, but I kind of was expecting to go up, have some breakfast, and then come back and do this video. But as you can see, guys, on screen, the money's there, okay? I got $453.98 US worth of CRO token, which is on the crypto.org chain, okay? Crypto.org chain. It's just easier to say crypto.com chain, guys. I don't care if it's not the right terminology. I think it's just a lot easier to say. All right, so as you can see here, crypto.org coin, all right, 2,178 CRO, and has the value of $453. Got a Bitcoin section there as well. Now, guys, now someone left a comment saying, you don't need ETH on here, which, yeah, you don't need ETH if you're working with the crypto.org chain, but if you want to do, if you want to do DeFi staking, guys, you're going to need some Ethereum on here for gas fees. So as you can see, folks, if we do go back to the crypto.com app now and we just refresh, I've just got my 10,000 CRO balance for my Jade Green card state left over, and the withdrawal has been completed on this end as well, and all the information's there, and it is all successful, and I've got I've got a little bit ready over there for mainnet staking when I do transfer over my larger amount. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, I do hope that you found some value in today's video and that you found the tutorial helpful to some degree, okay? Just make sure, just watch it carefully and don't make mistakes and don't blame other people for your mistakes. If you make a mistake, and this just goes for, anything that you do in life, okay? Take ownership for your own stuff, okay? Take ownership for your own actions, all right? It's, very little in life do, other people have an actual implication on something that you can control, okay? A lot of the time, people tend to just, find it easy to blame others for their problems, and yeah, just don't do it, guys. Don't do it. Take ownership. You've decided to get involved in the cryptocurrency space, all right? You need to educate yourself. You need to learn. There's always more to learn, and always leave the glass empty, guys. You always want to leave the glass empty because there's always more stuff to learn in this industry. It is so fast evolving, fast moving, okay? So you need to really evolve and move with it and just be humble, okay? Be humble. So drop me a like on this video, guys, if you did find some value, if you found it helpful. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tutorials like this and you want to hear more passionate, dedicated coverage just from an average dude on crypto.com content, okay? And turn those notification bells on as well, otherwise you just won't know when the videos do come out. And look, I hope you do have a successful time with it, okay? Leave me some comments, let me know what's up, all right? Say hey. Join the Telegram as well. We've got a good supportive network in there based around crypto.com as well. And from wherever you are watching from in the world, I shall catch you in the next video where we will be talking about, more than likely be talking about the actual staking. So I'll be running you through the full tutorial of actually staking on the crypto.org chain, doing it in real time to get that juicy 20% APY because we love passive income on this channel. Peace out, viewers.